Did you know that the credit repair industry is full of myths and lies? Well, it's time to uncover the shocking truth and expose the false promises they make. Myth 1. We can magically erase negative marks from your credit report. The truth is, it's not magic. Credit repair companies cannot simply make negative information disappear. They might try to challenge questionable items, but if they're accurate and verifiable, they'll stay on your report. Myth 2. Will boost your credit score overnight. Sorry to burst your bubble, but true credit repair takes time. There's no quick fix. Legitimate improvement requires a consistent effort in managing your finances and making on-time payments. Myth 3. Our services will guarantee a loan or credit card approval. Don't fall for this trap. Credit repair companies cannot guarantee approval for loans or credit cards. It's ultimately up to the lenders to decide if they want to extend credit to you, and it's based on various factors, not just your credit score. Now that you know the truth, what can you do for real credit repair? First, educate yourself about credit. Understand the factors that influence your score and learn how to manage your finances responsibly. Second, take charge of your financial habits. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Finally, monitor your credit regularly. Check your credit reports for errors and discrepancies, and report them if necessary. Remember, credit repair is about taking control of your financial future, not relying on false promises. Thanks for watching, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights.